the heart of Punnayurkulam, nestled amidst the scenic charm of Kerala's Trissur district, a remarkable architectural marvel has emerged. The Float and Fold House, a testament to innovation and thoughtful design, stands as a celebration of transparency, connectivity, and sustainable living. Commissioned by a family of 5 with a vision for a harmonious blend of space and connection, the house embodies the essence of modern living while honoring its natural surroundings. The journey of creating the Float and Fold House was not without its challenges. Situated on a south-facing plot spanning 27.70 cents, the site posed unique constraints, including its trapped nature and proximity to neighboring properties. However, these challenges served as catalysts for innovation rather than obstacles. An innovative solution was devised to address the site's limitations, including the removal of compound walls and the creation of a shared access path shaded by a majestic tree. This not only enhanced the approach to the house but also fostered a sense of community among neighbors. The design carefully navigated the balance between privacy and openness, ensuring that each space within the house maintained its distinct identity while remaining interconnected. At the core of the Float and Fold House lies a meticulous consideration of natural elements and climatic factors. The design seamlessly integrates elements such as water bodies, tropical landscapes, and strategically placed courtyards to optimize natural light and ventilation. The positioning of the house and the arrangement of its spaces were meticulously planned based on the analysis of sun and wind directions, ensuring a comfortable living environment year-round. Upon stepping through the front door, visitors are greeted by a masterfully crafted interior that exudes serenity and elegance. The ground floor features a master bedroom, guest bedroom, living spaces, dining area, and kitchen, all interconnected to create a sense of fluidity and openness. The use of split levels and double heights enhances the spatial experience, allowing for seamless interaction and visual connection throughout the house. selection of materials played a pivotal role in shaping the aesthetic and functional aspects of the float and fold house. Beige flooring, complemented by leathered and flamed black granites, creates a sense of warmth and sophistication. The juxtaposition of white walls with teak wooden frames and panels, along with gray walls and yellow Ada gold stone, adds depth and texture to the interior spaces. Externally, gray tandoor stone was meticulously cast for the approach road, seamlessly blending with the lush greenery that surrounds the property. The incorporation of large overhangs and polished and rough Ada gold stone wall cladding not only enhances the visual appeal of the house but also provides protection from the elements, ensuring durability and longevity. In essence, the float and fold house represents the epitome of contemporary living, where form and function converge seamlessly. From its innovative design solutions to its meticulous attention to detail, every aspect of the house reflects a deep understanding of the family's needs and aspirations. As a union of planes and floating cubes, the float and fold house stands as a beacon of architectural excellence, harmonizing nature and design in perfect equilibrium.